So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upload PDF file in ChatGPT. So I have the pro version, so you can see the click on here. First of all, log in your account in ChatGPT. After that, click on here and click on upload from computer. Now select your any file from like PDF. So the file will upload it start. So click on here, you can see the upload option. Now ChatGPT will be read your file and you can see that you can upload file name and you can see the assist, how can assist you. So write any answer and question about your file. Thanks for watching.